Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you to H&M, just like how I took you guys to Zara last time. So again today I'm just going to be like, going to the store, getting some casual stuff, showing you what is different in H&M and how is H&M different from Zara. Again, I do not have the permission to do so. This is not sponsored, just saying. This is like another new series that I've started because it's fun, like just showing you around all these stores in case if you've never been to these stores before. If you guys are enjoying these videos a lot, I could actually turn them into a series. Let me know what you think about it because I did another one in Zara and you guys loved it a lot, so let me know what you think about this one as well. I'm in Oberoi Mall Malad and I'm sitting in the parking lot filming an intro for you guys, and then I'm just gonna like get out, get inside the mall, do some filming, hopefully not get caught, and shop for some things and show you guys around. Okay, so yeah, without any further ado, you guys, let's get shopping. Okay, so we are in H&M. This is how the store looks like. It's like a heaven for basic stuff. And look at this bag! I love it already. This beautiful baguette. I think lavender is the color of the season, by the way, you guys. And I have some really cool things that I have to show you guys. For example, we have these collars and they look really interesting. So I'm definitely gonna get one of these. I don't know how I'm gonna style it, but we're gonna figure it out. But I think they look really cute. I love these heels already. They look so comfortable. I love the color. And they're tiny, so you can actually wear them every day. We have a few more heels that are really trending, and similar stuff you'll get a little expensive in Zara. So at H&M it's like 20-30% cheaper than Zara. This is their gym wear section. I think they have some really cute gym wear. You get leggings, you have bralettes, you have these sports bras. So cute. Like there's an entire section dedicated to gym wear. This is so cute. I want this. Let's see how much this is. Okay, this is only for $1,000. I'm gonna get it, guys. I'm getting this one for sure. You're coming home with me. Okay, we have a hat, all these cute stuff, more accessories. They have a lot of accessories, by the way, like a lot of cute accessories. You will end up getting something or the other from here for sure. Like, look at this. How cute. And then if you're looking to get some sexy lingerie, they have this amazing collection. Right from your nightwear stuff, your comfortable nightwear stuff, to like hot and sexy stuff, to like stuff like this, like proper lingerie and everything. You get everything here. This is the one that I was talking about. I have this, and you get like a pullover, like a robe, and they look so cute together. Okay, so Mithil is back with some stuff. Let's figure out if we want to go with this. एक राउंड मेरे साथ भी मार लो ना प्लीज. Zara vibe यहाँ से भी नहीं कुछ. Too basic. I have basics. Too much. It's like a shirt dress, na? T-shirt dress. Yeah. No, I think we don't want that. What's this? This is a nice dress. Yeah, I love the color also. It's quite in, na, Abhi. We'll do this. But we can try it out. We can do back to high school kind of videos. Yes! But in high school, I used to not wear stuff like this. I wasn't at school, but okay. No, this skirt, yeah.
White pants.
And I've not done like these ones, like the padded shoulder wala tops. I don't know what to pair it with. This is just a dress, I think.
Yeah.
It's a dress. No, but it's too edgy for me. Cute stuff. So cute. Cute.
kind of top with a skirt.
But then वो top में cover क्या कर रहा है वो top इतने बड़े गले में? Agenda क्या है इस top का मुझे समझ नहीं आया. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. We can do this. Yeah, this is medium. Let's get a small in this. No, it's they don't have small. I have to get something else for this, no? नहीं ना?
Nah.
Although it's cute, yeah. Try करना allowed है क्या?
हाँ.
You can try it.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so see, we have a dress. We have this lavender dress that I want to do. Okay, then we have.
These two can also go.
Yeah, these two can go. We can do these two. Then let's do 1 or 2 more dresses. Let's also get some lingerie, please, while we are at it, because Shagun के लिए. चलो. Okay, I like it. Yeah. Perfect. We can do this and then put a jacket on top of it. I think you guys got an idea. This is like heaven for basic stuff. And it's comparatively cheaper than Zara for sure. Because Zara has more, you know, like not so basic stuff, like it's a mix of basic and other things, but H&M is more basic. Yeah, this is like blogger stuff, bro. The weirder it is, the better it is. We can do this also. This is cute.
This is a summer vibe.
हाँ है ना? We can do this, yeah, for sure. This is Emily in Paris kind of dress, by the way. Okay, so we have picked up a bunch of stuff. In fact, I have this bag full of stuff that I'm gonna go and try out now, and just as a final thingy, I'm just checking out some accessories, some bags. I really like this white one, yaar. एकदम beachy vibe है ना, but ये खराब हो जाएगा तो. Glasses भी ले लेंगे. Glasses रोड से लेती हूँ यार मैं. 150 रुपए वाले. Let's try all of this out.
Yes, it's looking nice. Yup. Yeah, exactly. मुझे भी लगा था लेकिन I'm not sure लंबे शॉर्ट्स but it's looking yeah, it's looking very cool. It's very nice. Goodie. Yeah. Yeah, we'll fix it. Yep. It's nice. It's nice. Yeah. Something new now. We'll try. Yeah. Fit is really good. Color. बहुत ज़्यादा. It's nice, pretty. हाँ, actually.
Dude, this is the dress I'm holding my dad. It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
तो ऐसे गंदे बन के निकल जाओ लोग
इसका फिटिंग भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
Okay, so we picked up a bunch of stuff. Not a lot of things, but just like a couple of things which are quite latest in the market. And yeah, that should be it. Thank you. Okay, you guys, hi, what's up? I just dropped Mithil and I picked up a bunch of stuff from H&M. So the guard there actually asked me to stop filming, so I couldn't really shoot a lot, but whatever I could, I tried my best. और मैंने से छुप के I've taken like a lot of shots here and there, and even at the trial room we were so scared, but we finally managed to get like some shots for you guys to see. So out of whatever I tried, I've picked out a bunch of things that I'm going to be actually using for a shoot pretty soon. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Like if I go to a store from now on, I think I'm just going to like make a vlog out of it, show you guys what I bought and everything. Just like a fun series, let me know what you think about it. Also, if you guys have like any questions regarding anything in this video, please let me know. Another thing, I got this, I got 2 masks. Basically they came in like pairs. I got these from Bermuda or Only, I don't remember. I'm going to link it. Oh, I got it from Only, and these were for $5.99. Basically, I got like these 2, light pink and dark pink. But the best part, the fun part is that these are reversible. So I feel they're pretty cost effective. Like I can wear it as black, I can wear it as pink. So many options. So yeah, I'm not sure if I can get a link to these masks. If I can, I'll put it up in the description box. But they're available at the store, so in case if you visit the store. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this another fun shop with me session. Let me know what other brands I should check out. What other places would you like to see? If you're not from Bombay especially, if there are any specific markets, shopping place that, or malls, or anything that you want me to try or explore and make a vlog out of, I would love to. Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I will see you